Lapis lazuli is a semi-precious stone that had been well known among the people since ancient times. Although it's not a transparent mineral, however, it draws the attention to itself with its heavenly lilac and violet colors. Depending on the color, lapis lazuli divides into several groups. That's heavenly, high blue, bluish and purple colors. Especially purple lapis lazuli that shines thanks to the golden pieces of pyrites is considered like the most expensive one. Since ancient times, lapis lazuli was mainly used during preparing paintings and elegant dishes. Also, stone for rings, paintings and bracelets and seals were also produced by using this semi-precious stone most of the time. Also, the color that calls ultramarine was made by using that stone by grinding it into powder, and the paintings that drawn from it glowed for years. If you want to get more information about that stone, you can visit our National Museum.